How to create an iMessage group chat on iPhone. Looking for a way to text more than one people at once? Creating an iMessage group chat is one of the easiest options you can try. There are three types of group messages possible on Apple devices: iMessage, MMS, and SMS. Your iPhone automatically chooses the best type to use based on several factors. For example, if you and the other people that you want to add to the group chat have iMessage setting turned off, your phone will choose the MMS or SMS group type instead. Launch the Messages app on your Apple device. Tap on the Compose Message button. It's located in the top right corner. Now you can either type in the name or the phone number of the first person you want to join the chat, or tap on the Add Plus symbol and look for them in your contact list. Repeat the last step to add more people to the chat. When you're done adding the people to the group, you can begin to chat by writing the first message. Simply type it in the message area and tap on the arrow to send it to everyone in the group. You have now sent a message to a group on your iPhone. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.